What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video with your boy, Irie Futures. So today is a trade that I took on S&P because like I said, I'm strictly trading S&P for all of this week. Let's get right into it. All right, y'all, jumping straight into the video. So this trade was taken on Wednesday. So as you can see, I only got two time frames up here now, the hourly and the 5. So when it comes to the hourly, I come to the hourly to check my direction, and as you can see, we have been on a tear to the upside, like crazy. Look at this. Since market opened this week, we just been bull. So with that being said, as you know, I am only looking for buys. So drop down to my 5, and this trade was on Wednesday. So let's go to Wednesday. And so market open right here on this candle, this 930 candle, and me knowing I'm looking for buys. So right off the market open, we see off the rip, it came out bullish. Now, some people in the Discord, if you haven't joined the Discord yet, go ahead and join. It's free signaling Discord. So go ahead and check that out. But off the rip, it came out bullish. Now, people in the Discord are feeling like they were getting FOMO, or, they were missing out on this run. And in my head, me trading for some years, I know not to trust the market open, or just know that there has to be some type of pullback or some type of way to get into this trade. You never want to just take a trade just because it's on the run, right? We don't chase trades. So again, off the rip, you see it's coming, and it gave you 3 solid bullish candles. And 10 minutes after market open, bearish, boom, big bearish candle. Now, that is what I like to see. This is what I like to see, because this tells me that they're getting more money, which means when they push back up in the direction we're supposed to go, it'll be a push with volume and we'll just be out of there, right? So, but as you can see, y'all know my strategy is supply and demand, right? But if you're looking, never mind. So, because we would have to wait for these highs to be broken, right? And so that high got broke, and it would have left this demand zone here, and you could have taken this trade, right? I'm saying could have because this is not the trade I took. So you could have taken this. Let's just say you took it up. Okay, you would have broke even. If you would have went 1-to-1, if you would have broke even at 1-to-1 and targeted 1-to-2, you would have broke even on this trade. But again, that's not the trade I took. I'm just seeing this right now as I'm recording this video. The trade that I took is this one right here off of the VWAP. I took a VWAP bounce, right? So I see price went up, came down, dipped below the 13, crossed back above the 13, and wicked the VWAP and gave me a bullish candle. That's what I like to see. If it's wick, I like to see wicks of the zone when I do use supply and demand, and I like to see wicks of the VWAP when it comes to this VWAP. Now, another reason I was confident in this trade bouncing off the VWAP is because when it came up, it was basically a break and retest because it broke below it, right? Then it broke back above, bounced off of it. It didn't close back below. It just bounced off of it. If it would have closed back below the VWAP, then it's obviously disrespecting it, and we're not looking to trade the VWAP. But in this case, it broke above and bounced off of it and gave a bullish candle. That's what I like to see. So I took this trade right here, right? And I just put my stop loss below this low, and we took it up. Now, I didn't realize that I have to start, I think I took it up to around here. I didn't realize, because my consistency rule is a little messed up. So I asked chat to help me out a little bit, and they're saying I don't even want to target 1 to 2s. I need to target 1 to 5s, or I'm sorry, not 1 to 5, but 1 to 1.5, just to keep my just to be within the correct consistency rule. And so this trade had to get cut short, sadly, but I also took this trade on my live account, and we took this up to a 1 to 3, I believe, on my live account. So yeah, so this trade had to get stopped right here, just so I could get a certain amount to be within the correct consistency rule. So yeah, y'all, just another quick recap video on the road to getting funded. The goal is to still pass this account early May, or by the not I was about to say the end of this month, but it's already the 16th. Well, we only got 2 weeks left. So we're gonna see though. Regardless, it's gonna be what it's gonna be. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you want to join the free Discord, link is in the description. And you have any questions, just let me know. I'm here. Again, don't forget, keep everything airy, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.